कि ऐसे ही अगर आप लोग का कोऑपरेशन, आप लोग का सपोर्ट और आप लोग का प्यार पूरे ग्रीन प्लाई को एज इट इज मिलता रहा, तो मेरे ख्याल से जो 16-17 का एक सपना देखा है मैंने 2000 करोड़ का एज ओनली पीबीडी, ये 100% पॉसिबल होगा। और मैं आप लोग सबसे यही चाहता हूं कि ये प्यार, ये कोऑपरेशन, ये सपोर्ट पूरे ग्रीन प्लाई को बना के रखें। सो 2000 करोड़ का जो सपना है 16-17 के अंदर में, आई थिंक ओनली पीबीडी, ओनली प्लाईवुड एंड बोर्ड डिवीजन का, ये मेरे ख्याल से कोई दूर नहीं है। वी कैन डेफिनेटली अचीव विथ ऑल ऑफ योर सपोर्ट्स। फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट में मैं एक चीज़ ज़रूर चाहूँगा, ये मेरे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात होगी कि जितने हमारे एस क्लब एमरल्ड के मेंबर्स हैं, मेरे लिए खुशी होगा, आई विश दे शुड ज्वाइन एस क्लब डायमंड इन नेक्स्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर। ये मेरे लिए खुशी की बात होगी एंड आई बिलीव मैनी नो ऑल ऑफ यू, आपके पास में पोटेंशियलिटी है, आपके पास में मार्केट है, आपके पास में हर चीज़ है। यू पीपल कैन डेफिनेटली ज्वाइन एस क्लब डायमंड मेंबर्स। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड प्लीज एंजॉय। थैंक्स अ लॉट।
Unravel the core of splendor. Behold the sheen of rarity. Presenting the gem in you, we adorn. You are the Ace Emerald of distinction. Ace Emerald Club 2013, Dubai.
You are a gem, and you are the special guest here tonight. Sir, would you just stay back for a minute? I will call up on stage right now the country head of of our Panel Max division, Mr. Yogesh Arora. So if you could just come up and just share a few words with us this evening. So, okay. Thank you.
Good evening, the stars of Greenply. I was extremely delighted when our respected MD invited me also to be a part of this stunning award function, the Elite and the Ace Emerald Club. Believe me, members, it is very hard for any individual to win an award, and it requires a very sincere and dedicated efforts for each one of you having won this award over here. And you really did it. Out of hundreds of Greenply dealers across the country, you have made it happen. Our heartiest congratulations to each one of you. As our respected MD mentioned, that we would not like to discuss much on the business part because it is your function, but just to mention, Greenply about 2 years back started with MDF plant. When MDF plant was introduced, it was a very large capacity plant, 180,000 cubic meters per annum, which means roughly about 55 trucks of 9 tons per day. It was a huge capacity. There were a lot of questions, how will this plant survive? We thought we'll be able to do this in next 5 years or 6 years, we'll be able to achieve 100% capacity. But with your support of various members of the Greenply and the other team members, we were able to do that in the first 2 years. With this, you see, I have been interacting with many members here. Most of them, I repeat, most of them, they really don't talk much of MDF because you have been into a different class of business, that is selling a product like Greenply. What we are targeting in MDF is a very large market, that is 14,000 crores local plywood market. The local plywood market is roughly about 14,000 crores in the country, and we are wanting to target the market. Looking into that, we have already set up a thought of investing on a second plant, which is being set up in Andhra Pradesh, where we expect to manufacture 150 trucks MDF per day. Well, you would be surprised what kind of volumes we are talking, but that is a fact. So in case of our existing green panel mix MDF, we are about to launch flooring, the laminated flooring. This is, one plant has already come in India, but the capacity is very small. We are launching 250,000 square feet laminated flooring effective 1st October. 250,000 square feet per day capacity means roughly about 10 to 12 containers a day, which is a very large volume. Turnover, if we happen to achieve this, which we'll achieve in 1 year, would be about 560 crores laminated flooring. And you'll be surprised the market is very large. 80,000 crores is the flooring market in India. When I say 80,000 crores, means all the flooring put together, whether it is laminated, vitrified, cement, granite, marble, everything put together. So we are planning into value addition products, UV coated boards, flooring, and we have already put in the best machineries available for all these products. Vemono press for the short cycle, producing 5,500 boards per day. The plant has already started. We are putting up the UV coated machines there, all German, the best of the plant's machinery is available in the country. You see, when I say you have done it, you have been able to achieve this goal, and that is why we are really proud to welcome you all, being the largest, one of the best groups of dealers out of hundreds of dealers across the country. My sincere, humble request to you all is to make our dreams for the second plant also happen. And this can happen with your support. So we sincerely request you, like Rajesh Babu just mentioned, 2016-17 is talking about 2,000 crores, which obviously will be done by the PPT division. And by the same time, we expect to do 1,000 crores plus in case of the EPD division as well. Thank you so much. We really look forward for your support.
Thank you, Mr. Arora. Mr. Arora, if you could just stay back for a second, sir, on stage. I'm going to call upon our Managing Director, Mr. Mittal, also to please come up on stage. Right now, we'll just, we are in the flow of the program, but we have one of our guests who has to go back tonight, and so he has a flight to catch in an hour or so. I am going to call upon stage now Mr. Chandrasekhar Rajgani, sir, if you would just come up. Mr. Nandkumar also, sir, if you could also just come up. Please give a big round of applause to our Ace Club winner. Thank you. Mr. Chandrasekhar is a stalwart from a small town called Trichy. You know, if you go to Trichy and see for yourself, you will see how customers wait for their turn to buy products from his shop. Shekhar sir, as he is fondly called, is an institution and a landmark for the panel industry. He plans to make a record by becoming a member of the Diamond Club in FY 2013-2014, coming from a small town. Sir, congratulations, and we look forward to having you in the Diamond Club soon. Thank you so much.
Forever new. Greenply plywood.
थोड़ा मैं शेखर सर के बारे में बोलना चाहूँगा. मतलब आप लोगों को जब भी इंडिविजुअल को टाइम मिले, प्लीज विजिट हिज शॉप. द वे ही इज वर्किंग, द कस्टमर, हाउ द कस्टमर इज वेटिंग, कस्टमर कैसे कैसे कस्टमर वेट कर रहे हैं कि इनका नंबर आए तो उनको माल मिले. सो प्लीज विजिट हिज शॉप, सो यू विल नो कि हाउ द कैसे कैसे रिटेल ट्रेड शॉप्स हैं और अपने ट्रेड के अंदर में कैसे कैसे रिटेलिंग होती है. आई विल विश कि हम आप लोग जब आप लोग समय मिले, प्लीज विजिट हिज शॉप. थैंक यू शेखर सर.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Can I have a good evening from everyone over here? Let's hear it a little bit louder. Let's have some energy from your side. Good evening, everyone. No. I need something in that, full josh. I need that Dubai josh over here. Good evening, everyone. That's it. Yay spirit. I need this spirit to be going on till the end of the party over here. Okay, the reason I'm over here, as you all know, that Dubai is filled with lots and lots of surprises. It's a land of surprises. And today, on this very special evening, we have a very special surprise for you all. And that surprise is, I won't be telling the surprise now. You can see it in a short while. But before that, I would like to ask some questions to everyone over here. How did you like Dubai? How did you like Dubai, everyone? Can I have some zor se? Aap log mein, did you have something? Okay, we'll have the starters served for you in a short while. Now I know the reason why you all people are so a little bit less in energy. We'll have the starters in a short while. But did you all like Dubai, ladies and gentlemen? Did you all like it? And I think you must have got some time for shopping or something over here. Not yet. Nothing. You met some friends or anyone made some new friends over here around or no? Yes. हाँ एक पूरे audience में I can see only one madam over here. क्या नाम है आपका मैडम? कमला जी. कहाँ से हैं आप कमला जी?
हैदराबाद से।
हैदराबाद से. कैसा लगा दुबई आपको?
अच्छा लगा।
अच्छा लगा. अक्सर आती रहेंगी?
जरूर।
किसके साथ आएंगी?
इनके साथ।
ये कौन है?
मेरे पति है।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू. कमला जी के लिए एक जोरदार तालियां. इनको पसंद आ गया तो सबको पसंद आ गया. एक जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए प्लीज. और ये साहब बहुत गुमसुम बैठे हैं. हाउ डिड यू लाइक दुबई सर?
It's amazing.
Where did you go in all this place, all this time? 4 days, 5 days. आप लोग जब तक यहाँ पे थे.
What?
कहाँ गए आप?
We went so many places.
Like?
Burj Khalifa. Okay. And one Al Arab Hotel and that Atlantis.
Atlantis Hotel. Okay, then these are the very good places which we have over here. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready. मैं फिर आऊँगा, डोंट वरी. आई विल बी कमिंग टू दैट टेबल ऑल्सो. वहाँ से बहुत लोग मुस्कुरा रहे हैं तो मैं ज़रूर आप लोग के पास आऊँगा. आप लोग के पास थोड़ी सी गुफ्तगू होगी. विल हैव सम डिस्कशंस ऑन दिस थिंग, बट इट्स टाइम for the special surprise that we all are waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. We have a very lovely lady who's going to be in a bubble and play a violin for you. So please, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for the lovely lady over here. Ek zordar taaliyan. Come on, everyone. Thank you.